Lies and missing person flies, looking like an angel, but you got the fucking devil's eyes. Spit that shit statistic, but they won't listen and diss it. It's a motherfucking vision. Seeing life through blurred vision. Hit with precision because I'm on point. It doesn't matter, dog, because you know I'm passing the joint. You know I'm coming, dog, because I'm like a pig I will oink. You know that I don't give a fuck because you know I'm on point. I said it before and I will never say it again. It doesn't matter because you know I got the dopest fucking friends. Fucking fools up at the amphitheater. This is the dumbass drunk bitch. I'm happy I'm not being her.
And you know it won't stop. Brandon's filming, looking like Tupac. I'll be Aunt Hannah. She was like, "Oh, you the man, dog." But I don't care. I'll be here and there. There's nothing in the known in my zone. I'm a bear. I beware. You fucking, I kick it. I gotta get this bitch and I am sadistic.
Yo, you's a bear, but they call me fucking grizzly. Doesn't matter, motherfucker, cause you always straight pissing. I'm drunk as shit because I'm drunk as fuck. I got a bad habit because I'm down with the funk. They call me Jazz Blues because I'm fucking bounding past you. It's like a track meet, dog. I'll everlast you. I never get tired because I'm wired off the tweet. That's fucking Adderall for you fucking geeks. It's okay cause I'm a freak when it comes to pussy. It doesn't matter, motherfucker. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. I'm a stupid. Cause I'm always stepping on my level. It doesn't matter cause I'll beat your face in with the shovel. Make sure it's metal. Always iron or steel because you know I got the fucking dopest sex appeal. You know I'm on it, solving problems like it's science. I don't give a fuck because you know I'm addicted to violence.
Well, these bitches love Jago. What can we say, yo? Dad paid his bayo, now he's at a J-yo. I got the cracking. We cracking the party like mathin'. What happened? I don't give a shit, man. We rapping, but this is cool. I'm acting fool. I'm acting dudes. They be looking at you bitches with some attitude. But I be at the party. Yeah, we be with the party. I'm getting some Molly. What the fuck, I'm shoddy.
Molly got me jolly just like Santa. Doesn't matter, motherfucker, cause I'm doper than Santa Ana. I'm a fucking rapper just like a bandana. Doesn't matter, motherfucker, cause they call me the manhandler. This is it because I'm gonna fucking swing like a pendulum. You wanna get at me, dog, cause I'm stepping to fools that think they cool, but they is just fools. Doesn't matter, dog, because I'll beat their ass until they drool. Straight coma, give these dumbass seizures. It's okay because I find a bitch and then I'm a pleaser. I'm a easer, cause I like it easy. Doesn't matter, motherfucker, cause my rhymes are never cheesy. I am bleezing up while I'm blowing the smoke. You know I live by the gun and I live by the bong toke. Never broke, actually that's always me. It doesn't matter though because people trying to solve me.
Yeah, we just made money. How did he do it? He sold his weed, yeah, he's funny. I gotta say, what you doing today? We're gonna go to Dylan's cause he's throwing a fucking rage. Who is this? I'm gonna pop some. You gonna get him, man? I gotta drop him. But I'm rocking to the kid.
I'm fucking drinking down my alcohol without a try. I'm taking calories, doesn't matter like casino. Making money, dog, because you know I'm like Robert De Niro. I'm a gangster, call me Al Capone. You know Mission V is where I roam and it's my home. Take to your dome, my head is acapella, motherfucker. I'm not a looker, I'm just a gangster dweller.
Cause if you wanna get this, I'm like the blimp, I'm a pie. I got homies, man, they fucking pimps. They got guns and bitches and fucking weed. They're gonna sell us E, that's all we fucking need. We're gonna sell it, hell it, I'm fucking shelling. Get these bitches, now they boyfriends are yelling, saying stop it. Whoa, what you doing? Adam Stone's drunk, man, of this brewing stuff up.
That's what I'm talking about. That's a psych real.
That's the lesson norm.
And it's that
bitch real shit.
Let me see that shit. That's a dope video.